This 2016 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds Super C35 SF is a Super CRV. It is located in Orange Park, Florida, 32073 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, Slideout, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bath and a half, bunk over cab, rear bath. This 2016 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds Super C35 SF is built on a Ford F550 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.